Oh my goodness, good boy, Bucky. Good boy, you walked on the floor by yourself. Oh my goodness, everybody get a party started. Good, oh, where are we going? Good boy. Nice job. Yeah, it's not so bad. Look how happy your sister is. Oh, honey, it's okay. Come on. Good boy. Bucky, you want to come this way? That's where the cat's hide away. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good job. Oh my goodness. Oh, such a good boy. Oh my goodness. Is that a bed? Oh my, there you go. Oh wow, that's where Grayson goes. Yay, Bucky! This is the first time you've walked on the floor by yourself. Yeah, is that a bed? You like that? Grayson, what do you think? What do you think, huh? Huh? Is that a couch for you, Bucky? Don't you pee. No marking. Good boy. Yeah. What do you see, Kelly? You like that couch up there? Huh? Goofy. Good boy, Bucky. What do you think? Huh? Come here. Good dog. Oh, this is exciting. All right, major progress today. Hi, is that Grayson? Get him, Kelly, get him.